Hey guys, Kirby Vacuum Collector and Fixer here, and I've got this package here today. This is my very first British vacuum. It's a Hoover Junior. Now, it's an American model. It was made in Great Britain, but it's got a 120 volt motor and a American plug, but it's basically a 1340, which is the US equivalent of a 1346 over in UK. So I'm gonna get this thing open. I'm really excited. Okay. Okay, so far, oh, more tape. They did a pretty good job packaging this so far. Okay. Okay. So far, really good packaging. Alright, we've got the two handle pieces and a belt. Here's the belt. And now, look how little this thing is. It's a Hoover, it's like a convertible belt, but it's really small. That's pretty neat. So, to get these out. So, this is the bottom part of the handle. And, up. We've got the top of the handle right here. One thing I noticed about these American ones is that they've got the normal metal hook with the spring, whereas the UK ones have this like spring-loaded hook on the side. So that's one thing I noticed. Okay, here's another thing. Here's the cloth bag, and let me tell you, this bag is tiny. I wasn't expecting it to be this small. But there's the cloth bag. Okay. So we've got the cloth bag. And then the handle. And now the main unit itself. Just right here. So we've got the bellow. Okay, so it's disconnected from the bellow, the bag, but that's all right. Got the cord. And the actual machine. This is, I don't know if it's how I imagined it, or it's pretty small. I mean, you can definitely tell that it's a Hoover Junior just by the size of it. But it looks really cool. The plastic's actually a lot thicker and a lot harder than I thought it would be. So yeah, it's a 1340. It's missing the metal that covers the belt. That's alright. I know this thing's a top fill. I don't know if you can put bottom fill on it, F&G on it or not. There's the screws. I don't know if you can put F&Gs on this or not. It doesn't look like, it looks possible. I don't know for sure though. I might as well assemble this, because why not? It's missing the front cover, so I'm hoping to get a front cover at some point. It's got duct tape on it right now. So, just put this on. So then next thing, okay, so The handle whacked me in the face while I was trying to figure this thing out. So, but okay, I figured it out now. So the screw goes in the smaller opening right on this side, and then you just kind of screw it in right here on the left side. Yeah, okay. Then this screw goes to connect the two halves. Alright. So you just put this in and then tighten it. Alright, I'm gonna get a screwdriver, so I'll be right back, guys. Alright, I'm back with my screwdriver. So I'm gonna tighten these so then they don't wobble and, you know, go all over the place. I just noticed the people in the UK, they were right about the switch. It really does look like a red Rolo candy. Now the bag. Another thing that's weird about this bag is that it's instead of a zipper, it's like these buttons that you just open and close. Let's see here. So, try and figure this out so I can see. Alright, so I got the bag installed. I'm going to put it on the handle. Okay, oh, there we go. So the bag just kind of hooks on like that. And then, you know what? I'll be right back, guys. I'm going to put an F and G in there and see if that works. It'll do for now until I can find it, a bottom fill bag. So this is the Hoover Junior. It is tiny, let me tell you, but yeah, I'm really happy. The Hoover Junior. I'm gonna have a video of me testing it soon. So yeah, that's the video. Thanks for watching.